If p greater than 0 and x is p% greater than y, then in terms of p, y is what percent of x? Okay, this is interesting. If we formulate the question correctly, using the division method, this is y over x times 100 is what we want to know. Okay, so here it says that x equals something that is p% greater than y. So it's like y increase in p%. So 100 plus p over 100. That is an increase factor for y. And that will be the value of x. So from here, we can isolate x over y. X over y would be 100 plus p over 100. But what we need to do in our calculation is calculate y over x. So y over x is simply inverting here 100 over 100 plus p. Insert this value here. 100 over 100 plus p times 100 gives you 10,000 over 100 plus p. So this is the percent. This is the answer option. Okay. If you forget, multiplying by 100 here, you could just mark the alternative B. And that is only a fraction. It's not a percent. It's like, marking 0.5% rather than 50%. All right?